You know you want better tasting water, but you're not sure how to choose a water filtration system and which one is suitable for you. Waterdrop is your perfect choice. Waterdrop's NSF certified replacement fridge water filters will provide an excellent user experience. Their unique, premium coconut carbon blocks produce the freshest water for you and your family and leaves only the minerals that are beneficial to your health. Waterdrop fridge filters eliminate the odor and taste of chlorine, allowing you to enjoy cleaner, healthier, and better tasting water. Our advanced filters are designed to fit various refrigerator models and do not require any pre-soak. One filter can save up to 750 plastic bottles. That's good for your wallet and for the planet. Start drinking healthier, great-tasting water with Waterdrop today.